Welcome to the fascinating world of electronics. Today, we embark on an educational journey to unravel the basics of this pivotal field. Electronics, at its core, is the branch of science that deals with the study and application of devices that control the flow of electrons. These tiny particles power the gadgets and systems that have become integral to our daily lives. Let's dive into the fundamental components that make up electronic devices. From resistors and capacitors to diodes and transistors, each plays a crucial role in controlling electrical currents. These components are the building blocks of the circuits that power everything from your smartphone to the most advanced computers. But what makes electronics truly remarkable is its wide array of applications. In healthcare, electronics enable life-saving medical equipment. In communication, they connect us across the globe. In entertainment, they bring movies and music to life. The possibilities are endless, and the impact is profound. Now, you might wonder, why is understanding electronics so important? In our increasingly digital world, electronics are the backbone of innovation and technological advancement. By grasping these basics, you open doors to endless opportunities in various fields, from engineering to software development. As we conclude, remember that the world of electronics is vast and ever-evolving. Stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows, you might just be the next innovator to change the world. Thank you for joining us on this introductory journey into electronics. Until next time, keep learning and stay inspired.